You picked a flower for me?
Yeah, and Whitney.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome.
All right.
Stick in my mom's hat. Both of y'all have those.
The flowers that you just gave us?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Both of y'all have hats.
So what did you do today?
I played sand and jumped on those and...
Jumped on those? You jumped on the palm trees?
Yeah. No, those.
Those trees up there?
No, those things.
Oh, the power lines?
Yeah.
You jumped on those?
Yeah.
Sure.
Then, like a monkey.
No, what we
Like
did
a
today was to
monkey?
the house.
We were choking at the bad house, and I jumped on that.
Chilling at the house, and then you jumped on that. Okay.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Cool. So, Riley,
What?
how was your trip to the WIC office today?
Good.
You liked it?
Yeah.
Hey, there's a dead bird.
Oh, no. Are you serious?
Yeah. You're actually taking a picture of it on your phone? It's a
It's
dead
not
bird.
actually a dead bird. It's just its feathers. Because where's the bird? Ah! It's the bones! That's awful!